Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Chapter number 6, E-commerce and E-governance. Today we are learning what are the various payment mode in electronic commerce. But first I'm explaining you what is EPS, that is electronic payment system. Electronic payment system is a system which helps the customer or user to make online payment for their shopping, to transfer money over the internet. Today we are learning how to transfer money over the internet and methods of traditional payment. Transfer money over internet, there are many ways, and traditional payment method are check, credit card or directly payment. Methods of electronic payment: credit, debit cards, electronic cash, software wallet, smart card. These are the methods for electronic payment, and method for traditional only check, credit card, debit card. Some example of EPS. This is example yatra.com. We can pay from here online. See this. Some example of EPS: online reservation, online bill payment, online order placing, and online ticket booking. These are some example of EPS. And types of EPS: online money transfer, then mobile payments, bank transfer, and e-wallet. These are types of electronic payment system. See first, online money transfer. One example of online money transfer is debit card. Just I am explaining you what is debit card. It is a plastic payment card that can be used instead of cash when making purchase. When you purchase some things, you can do payment with this plastic payment card, that is debit card. It is similar to credit card, but unlike a credit card, this similarity between debit card and credit card: the money comes directly from the user's bank account. This is important. The money comes directly from users where in debit card, but where in credit card it is not come from. It is come from bank's account. It is also plastic card, credit card. It is used to buy goods and services on credit. It is like a loan. The banks are giving loan to you. If you don't have money, no problem. Bank give you loan, and you have to then pay them. This pay your refund your sorry pay your loan. Then second one is money payments. These are the example. You know it very well. Airtel Money, Pay, Z-App, Jio Money, Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, Recharge. These are some mobile payments. See this. Then mobile payments: a transfer of funds in return for a good or services where the mobile phone is involved in both the initiation and confirmation of the payment. Paytm, Google Pay, PayPal. These are the mobile payments. Now second, bank transfer. This is example. ICICI Bank is transferring through the NEFT. Bank transfer is used when money is sent from one bank account to another. Transferring money from bank account is usually fast and safer than withdrawing and paying in cash, because every transaction will be authenticated by checking customers' banking credentials. Okay, student, good, very good. Examples of bank transfer. This is an example: immediate payment service, then NEFT. These are these are type of national electronic fund transfer and immediate payment service. Difference between NEFT and IMPS: Full form National Electronic Fund Transfer, immediate payment service, slow according to name, fast, transaction speed is slow here, NEFT, and fast. Timing, official timing of bank, MPS 24 hours, holiday, Sunday and other available all the time. Transaction process, batches, it is on real time. Batches means uh, they will make group of you, then they do transaction, and here real time. At the moment you are clicking, they are clicking, the money is get transferred within a few minutes. Next is e-wallet. See, this is a photo of e-wallet. An e-wallet is a digital system that stores a person's payment information. Digital means it exists purely electronically. It is secure online wallet. The term is short for electronic wallet. That is, E for e-wallet stand for electronic. We also call it a digital wallet. E-wallet is also called as digital wallet. The e-wallet stores users' card digitally so that they can buy things electronically, that is online. If you have this kind of wallet, you can pay for things online using your laptop, tablet, or Android smartphone smartphone, sorry. You can also use your digital wallet to pay for things in some cafes and shops that you are physically visit. Some e-wallet stores your loyalty cards, insurance cards, means your personal information. They store and driver's license. They can also store your health card plus other IDs that you'll normally keep in a traditional wallet. E-wallet transaction process. E-wallets do not all have the same transaction process. The process that each wallet uses depends on the software that makes it function. With some wallets, you have to insert your password to confirm a transaction. Other wallets, on the other hand, may give the user a unique identification code for each transaction. Many companies have their own digital wallets. For example, the Apple company has Apple Pay, while Microsoft has Microsoft Wallet. There is also Samsung Pay, Alipay, MobiKwik, Paytm, and many more. Okay, today we have seen online various payment mode, that is online money transfer, mobile payment, bank transfer, and e-wallets. Thank you.